Hello students, here we are ready with the list of the organs that helps in the digestion of the human body. How many organs are there which are helpful in the digestion of any human body? As you see the picture in this, there are so many organs are there in the human body which helps in the digestion process. So let's begin. In this, the first question which strikes our mind is, what is digestion? Digestion is nothing but a breakdown of a food into the smaller components that can be easily absorbed by the bloodstream. In our human body, there is a proper digestive system. Means there is some group of organs works together and convert that food what we eat into the energy. The organ that participate in the digestion process include the gastrointestinal tract, which is very long tube. The organs which helps in digestion process are mouth, esophagus or food pipe, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. Now let's begin with the first organ, that is mouth. As you can see in the picture, food is ingested into mouth. The buccal cavity or mouth consists of a teeth, tongue, salivary glands. With the help of teeth, physical digestion of the food take place, which helps the food to cut into the small pieces, chews and grind it. Further, salivary glands present in the mouth helps in the chemical digestion of the food with the help of enzymes. It contains enzyme known as a salivary amylase, which digests the starch present in the food into the sugar. We can say that the digestion of carbohydrate or a starch begins in the mouth itself, but the digestion of the food remains incomplete in the mouth. The next human organ which helps in the digestion is, as you can see in the picture, is esophagus. Here it is food pipe. The slightly digested food which digested in our mouth goes into the stomach through the food pipe or esophagus. With the help of the peristaltic movement, the food pushed inside the stomach. The contraction and the expansion of the movement of the wall of the food pipe after entering the slightly digested food is also known as peristaltic movement. Next organ which helps in the digestion process is, as you can see in the picture, is stomach. Whatever we eat, it goes into the stomach. It remains for 3 hours. It further break into the small pieces and form the semi-solid paste. The glands that are present in the walls of the stomach secretes the gastric juice and which contains the 3 substances: hydrochloric acid, enzyme pepsin and mucus. The protein digestion begins in the stomach only with the help of pepsin enzymes. The next organ which helps in digestion, as you can see in the picture, is small intestine, yani choti आंत. Small intestine is a long thin tube about 1 inch in diameter and at about 10 feet long. It is located in just inferior to the stomach. It takes up most of the space in the abdominal cavity. With the help of sphincter muscle, food from the stomach releases in the small amounts and into the small intestine. And do you know, in small intestine, complete digestion of food like carbohydrates, protein, fats take place in small intestine. Now the further small intestine receives the secretion of the 2 glands, which is liver and the pancreas. Whatever secretion that comes, it received by the small intestine. It helps in the digestion of the food. Even the intestinal juice also helps in the carbohydrate digestion. After digestion, the molecules of the food becomes small and passes through the small intestine and it further goes into the blood. तो ये blood में शामिल हो जाता है. Here the digested food is also absorbed. Now the next organ which helps in digestion, as you can see in the picture, is large intestine. Yes, large intestine is a thick long tube about 2.5 inch diameter and about 5 feet long. It is located just inferior to the stomach and wraps up around the superior and the lateral border of the small intestine. A part of the food that can't be digested by our body or can't be absorbed by the small intestine passes into the large intestine. The wall of the intestine absorbs most of the water from the food and makes it solid. The rectum is the last part of the large intestine where this solid food for some time is stored and ingested from our body through the anus as a feces or a stool. Apart from all these organs which we have discussed, there are 3 digestive glands which are helpful in the process of digestion, that are pancreas, liver and gallbladder. Pancreas is known for the food blood sugar regulatory function with the production of the insulin. ये insulin यहाँ पर बनता है आपका. Digestive enzymes are secreted by the pancreas released into the small intestine and helps in the digestion of fats, protein and carbohydrates. As you can see in the picture, there is a liver and there is a sleepen, there is a stomach, and below it's a small intestine. In there it's a large intestine, there is a gallbladder. You can clearly all the glands are visible there. Liver produces the juice which secretes the enzymes and helps in the digestion of the fat. Gallbladder is when the fatty food, when the food which are very high in the fat content enters into the small intestine, the gallbladder contracts it and releases the bile which is sorted in it. So in this way gallbladder is very important part to digest the food of containing the fat. As you see the picture of the gallbladder where it is located. So friends, that's all in this section. We hope that you enjoyed this section, and we will committed to bring more and more stuffs in the coming days for you, for which helpful in your preparation of your exam. Thank you so much for watching our channel, and keep on watching and give comments, subscribe our channel so that you will get the regular updates and also it helpful in your examination. Thank you so much.